Yes, this is our number 5 nylon zipper slider mounting machine. This model is our standard configuration model. So now let's start to check the machine. This sample is from our customer because this is a customer order. Okay, so this sample is which after gapping, sealing, hole punching, and pin boss already. And this is this machine model QLQ-SMM, and here you can see the production date. Okay, so now we will start to operate this machine. Okay, this slider mounting machine output is about 3,600 pieces per hour. It's good for different fancy puller, but customer just give the slider with hook for testing. Okay, see the pin boss, and let's see the working situation is really good. And this is slider. This is the slider. Okay. Because why it's stopped? Because just now I turned off the vibrator lining function, so that is why it's stopped. Okay. So let's see the result. So let's see the result after slider mounting. Okay. The zipper finished already. Let's see the result. Okay, see and see next week, next pieces, and turn to the back side. Okay, so it's a really nice mounting already. If you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.